This tutorial for Computer Cuisine Deluxe is going to focus on the weekly planner. So under the main menu, you will see the weekly planner button right here. Let's go ahead and click that. Now, what exactly is the weekly planner? Well, the weekly planner is just set up so that you can pre-print recipes throughout the week planned on each particular day. You have up to 4 different recipes that you can choose for each day, and that sort of symbolizes breakfast, lunch, dinner, and dessert. If you really wanted to, you could fill in recipes for this entire week, or if you just had one for a particular day or a selection of days, you can go ahead and select those. Now, you don't have to type out anything. These are pull-down menus. So, for example, on the breakfast entry for Tuesday, once you click on this, you can then scroll through your list of recipes that are in your collection. Now, this is the base model set up with 1001 recipes that come with Computer Cuisine Deluxe version 9. Now, if you add more recipes, let's say you have 1200 recipes, then that means this list will automatically update for 1200 recipes. So you'll always have a constantly updated list. So as you add more recipes, you'll have more choices right here in the pull down menu. So for example, if you needed to print these out as a batch, that's really what the weekly planner is set up for. So you could print all recipes throughout the entire week, or you can print just the 4 recipes for this particular Monday by clicking right here. So if I click right here, it will print out all 4 recipes separately based on the printing preferences that I had set up in the print menu. Where's the print menu? Well, you have preferences in the settings menu right here, and it's under printing preferences. So when you select how you want your prints to come out, this is the default, a standard size font in black ink, and it's set up for a large letter size, which is just 8.5 by 11. That's your default. So that means all recipes will print in this format. So when you go back to your weekly planner, if I hit print planner recipes, all 4 of these recipes are going to print letter size black ink in a standard size font. So that sort of is the setup so you can do batch printing and also plan out recipes with this weekly planner. Now, if you ever need to clear an individual day, you can go ahead and just click there. It's going to clear out that day. And if you really had, I'm going to fill in some random recipes throughout the week. If you had some of those, I'm just doing this just to give you an idea. Let's say you had a bunch of recipes throughout the week. Now, you could print all of those individual recipes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 if you just hit print all recipes for the week, or if you need to clear them out, you just hit it here and it will automatically clear all these. So think of the weekly planner as something that you can both plan recipes ahead of time and pre-print them out so that you can have them set up as a batch for different days of the week. That's what this is for. Thanks.